Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to take tan of angle without calculator. But first, I will be needing to tell you some of history of trigonometric function. In many years, great ancestor Aryabhatta invented sine curve. Okay guys, that was the history. Now we will be doing some mathematics. First, you will be thinking of number. This is hardest part. I am thinking of 2.3. Okay. Now you will be multiplying 32 to it because 2.3 is close to 32 backwards. This is then multiplied to differential of pi minus x. Next, since there is 180 degree in half circle, so multiply of radians to degree x and get about 170 degrees, which is subtended about 10 degrees. But since it is half circle, we must multiply by 2 to get 20 degrees. Now there are two integral parts of circle. One is degrees, but other is radius. You might be remembering from calculus that area of circle is pi r squared. But today, unfortunately, r is on vacation, so instead of circle, we will get square of pi. So, to find area, that is of course verbal reciprocal, pi squared. Reasoning is, if r is unknown, circle cannot be assuming any roundedness which is created by radius, so therefore it is square of side lengths of pi. Multiply this to degree factor of 20 and then subtract the abstraction of circle side count times closest whole number approximation of theta, which in this case we have assumed to be square, so 4 times 2 equals 8, and then multiply by theta to apply to specific plane and multiply by differential pi minus x to restrict domain to within the circle of creation. Now divide the two expressions to get halfway there, as now what will we have? Sin of angle, that is. Next, we will be using some advanced techniques which, like thesis, can only be found in intro. We will be having to be using a convergence series to find cos. The process is as follows. Take first whole number greater than 0 and subtract infinite series sigma n equals 1 to infinity of a is equal to 1 to times negative 1 power n power to power times theta to 2n power divided by factorial 2 times theta. This process no longer needs explanation, as your teacher will have probably taught you this. Finally, we will be using the famous identity that cos theta divided by sin theta will equal cotangent to find cotangent. Next, since cotangent is inverse of tangent, take inverse and you will have your answer. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Next video I will show you how to take tan of angle with calculator.